Uy. Tarong bird, oh. Mulupad na po na ron maghatod og pagkaon sa anak. Where are you?
Behind the post.
Over there. Behind the post. Right there. And then looking for the kids. The basket. Okay. Go. Go. Tago na. Yun. Alright.
Ay, tatay pala yan eh. Yan pala yung tatay, yun ang nanay. Oh, may dalang
Ayun.
may dalang pagkain.
Oh, I see. There's the dad.
There.
And there's the mom. What? Go.
Ay, kinain niya na yung...
Okay. Go to the basket. Go over there. Good.
Hirap siya.
Bakit? Ayan, nagsipagkuhan na. Naglabasa na, oh. Dali! Oh, second attempt.